Dear guests, welcome to Bauma 2025. This year, our main themes will be innovation, sustainability, and digitalization. Together with our customers, we are committed to developing safe, highly productive, smart, and clean workplaces of the future, following our brand promise, creating value together. What about innovation? We are very pleased to introduce you to 13 brand new machines to demonstrate our innovative power. One of our new product highlights is PC220 LCI-12, the most advanced excavator ever designed. Based on many years of experience in intelligent machine control, this machine offers new and unique features that should further advance the digitalization of construction sites. We believe this excavator will set the new standard for productivity, efficiency, and operator comfort. We are also pleased to present our latest generation of wheel loader WA485-11, characterized by its impressive power and efficiency. At our dynamic demo shows, indoor and outdoor, we will showcase electric machines and the corresponding charging infrastructure to underline our commitment to reach carbon neutrality until 2050. In addition to our innovative machines, Komatsu offers digital solutions like Comtrax, Smart Construction, and Smart Quarry to achieve full connectivity of the entire job site. The Komatsu team and distributors are looking forward to welcoming you at Bauma. Enjoy the Bauma.